not underappreciated, but you know what that means? No one else has ever seen that in the history of human beings.
Yeah. I'm like, whoa! Yeah!
Added to the pile, it's a staple now. Still the colors on the jar get put back somehow.
That was fun.
Maybe it's better
Got a good Tommy in that.
That was
so cool.